Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, which is common in eastern regions of the world. It is rich in a unique type of fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound is the primary reason behind castor oil's remarkable healing properties. Castor oil has so many benefits. Let's look at 15 most effective benefits in this video. Number 1. Laxative. Castor oil is a natural laxative that works by stimulating the nerves in the gastrointestinal tract. Consuming 1 tablespoon of edible castor oil before bed can help relieve constipation. Number 2. Moisturizer. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties and can help treat dry skin. Applying few drops of castor oil and washing your face after 20 minutes keeps the skin moist and soft. Number 3. Control sebum. Sebum is an oily substance produced by the body's sebaceous glands that protects and moisturizes the skin and hair. But this can also result in acne. Castor oil can control sebum production. Number 4. Antibacterial. It can also help protect the skin from bacterial infections. The high fat content in castor oil forms a protective barrier against bacteria and fungus. Number 5. Antifungal. The undesolenic acid in castor oil is a powerful antifungal agent. If you're dealing with athlete's foot or toenail fungus, massaging castor oil into affected areas can help treat these fungal infections. Number 6. Pain relief. Castor oil has pain-relieving properties and can help relieve headaches and migraines. Number 7. Hair care. Castor oil's viscosity can help reduce hair breakage, especially for lashes and brows. Number 8. Labor induction. Castor oil is a stimulant that can induce labor. However, pregnant people should consult their healthcare provider before using castor oil. Number 9. Weight loss. Castor oil may also help with lipid metabolism, thereby aiding in weight loss. Number 10. Wound healing. Castor oil, when applied on wounds, provides a moist environment that fosters healing and prevents sores from drying out. Number 11. Promotes immunity. Castor oil is highly valued in traditional medicine for strengthening the immune system by increasing white blood cells. Number 12. Reduces inflammation. It can effectively offer relief from painful joints, stiffness, and lowers inflammation. Number 13. Arthritis. Castor oil may provide relief for people who suffer from arthritic pain. Arthritis is mainly due to inflammation. Number 14. Lessens wrinkles. Castor oil is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. Number 15. Healing cracked heels. One of the most celebrated benefits of applying castor oil is its ability to heal cracked heels. The oil's fatty acids penetrate deep into the skin, soothing the cracks and fissures while promoting healing. Here is a quick recipe with castor oil for an effective organic cleansing oil. These are the ingredients you need: 15 ml organic castor oil, 34 ml organic coconut fractionated oil, 0.5 ml organic grapefruit essential oil, approximately 8 drops, half a gram of high-strength vitamin E. Castor is super cleansing, dissolves makeup and removes dirt and grime. It is non-comedogenic, so it doesn't block pores. Fractionated coconut oil is lightweight oil which balances the richness of the castor oil and helps speed up absorption. Grapefruit oil is balancing and clarifying. It boosts the cleansing powers of the carrier oils and helps balance oil production. Vitamin E helps to prolong the life of the carrier oil, preventing oxidation. Simply measure out all the ingredients and combine in a beaker or jug and mix well. Transfer the oils to the glass amber bottle and label. Apply a few drops of oil to a cotton wool pad and sweep across the face and neck until all makeup is removed. Alternatively, massage the oil into your skin with your fingers, then remove with a muslin cloth soaked in warm water. You can use a floral water like rose or lavender to tone your skin after cleansing by applying a few drops to a cotton wool pad and sweeping across your skin. This will help remove any residual oil from your skin. Moisturize as normal, dries